Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back to the 360 Crypto channel. I'm your host, Eric, and I go by 360. And as always, guys, strength in numbers. We're growing together, guys. Happy Thanksgiving, first of all. Let's give thanks to our family, our friends. Let's give prayer to people and those in need. Let's just be thankful, guys, for another blessed day that we have. A lot of great news coming out with Bitcoin. Great news, a lot of great news with the Metaverse tokens too as well. So as we get this day started, let's go ahead and do what I like to do. And I actually copied this from Crypto Mason. I love how he does this. So I love using these bubbles, kind of give you an idea how, what we're looking at in the market in a sense, instead of looking at a one straight chart, 1 through 110 or whatever. This actually shows you all the cryptocurrencies that are technically, not in the top 10, or in the top 100. A few coins that I hold, Bitcoin's up, Bitcoin Cash is up, obviously Bitcoin is up, BAT is up, I hold BAT. I don't hold Gala, I don't hold Mana, and I do not hold Sand, but I do hold other Metaverse tokens, which I will show you later on this video. Solana's right here in the bottom. INGEN still doing amazing. We have the KuCoin, which is, I honestly think that exchange tokens are always going to do good, for the reason that if you're trading on their exchange, you pay in their token, so you can pay lower in fees. So I honestly see that we'll probably see this token probably in 100 in the near future. Obviously with CRO, we have another another exchange token that has been doing really well for the past week with the name change of the Staples Center to crypto.com. And again, I honestly see this coin being the same zone that KuCoin is, at the $20 mark within a year or so. And as always, guys, don't forget to follow, subscribe, and hit that like button if you're new to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, 360 Crypto. I started posting more, reposting posts, so hopefully I get better at posting items here. And again, guys, something I like to look at is the top asset market cap. Bitcoin's still in the top 10. It's only a matter of time that we see it in the top 5. Gold is $11 trillion market cap. We will see Bitcoin, and I believe in my heart that we will see Bitcoin in the $11 trillion asset as well. So more news coming out of Bitcoin, right? Another day, another ban. What does that mean for us? Well, as China, they already banned crypto mining and Bitcoin. So now we have South Asia banning crypto as well. And it's not even hurting Bitcoin, right? We're at 59,000. We were trading below 56 when everything was announced. But let me go ahead and read this for you guys. India will ban all private cryptocurrencies if a new proposal bill goes through, but the plans to replace them with its own digital currency. So most of these nations actually are trying to build their own backed stable coin. And I believe that's the future with any cryptocurrency, with any nation building their own backed centralized, not decentralized, centralized backed coin, right? Another news with Bitcoin is we got a tweet from Crypto Bird, and he's saying that the BTC bullish divergence is confirmed. So we're back in a bullish market. Can we see Bitcoin hit 98,000? Can we see Bitcoin hit 100,000? We don't know that. We're currently sitting in about 59. I honestly think we consolidate from here. We do one more dip and then we fly up. That's what I personally feel. Being in the market since 2017, I see Bitcoin go up and down, and it's crazy to think that we're at Bitcoin at 59,000 when I would see Bitcoin at 6,000. Just let that settle into you guys' mind, right? Bitcoin was at 6,000. Now we're at 59,000. In a matter of 4 years. Bitcoin within 12 years is outperforming any stock market asset year to date. Then we got another tweet from Marshall Coinstar, and he actually plays it out safe. No, we're here at 58, 59. We're going to top right here. Then we're going to come right back down to about 56. Once we hit this threshold, which he's marking about 58 once again, it seems that we're going to go back into the 60, 70, and so forth and so forth. The next thing I want to talk to you guys about is this news that just came out, right? Grayscale says Metaverse is a $1 trillion market opportunity. To be honest with you, I honestly think that these Metaverse tokens are going to do good as long as the projects are backed up by big companies like Sony, Activision. I'm pretty sure these companies are already looking into this. Just to think about it, like in perspective, right? the gaming community, the esport entertainment, it's so big. Like, you have big stars like Nick Merckx, Tim the Tap Man. How long before they sign a deal to one of these cryptocurrencies, or they create something that it's going to benefit their community or something? You know, I honestly think, me being part of a gamer and I love playing video games, I think the metaverse is going to take off if it's done the right way. If you have the right companies backing it up, it's only a matter of time before esport gets into it. You have like these gamers, right? These groups of gamers like TSM, that they already have a deal with FTX, which is an exchange, which, you know, you trade on their platform. They already signed them, you know. I think it's like a $14 million contract or something like that. I'm not too sure. Go ahead and write in the comments below for the right number. But I honestly think when you have someone like Grayscale saying this asset can be a $1 trillion asset, the metaverse, then honestly, start investing now. Once again, I am not rich. I am not financially free. I am trying to find financial freedom just like you guys. And I do have metaverse tokens that I am investing into. And just to give you a list, what I'm investing to is, and again, guys, you don't have to put thousands and thousands of dollars, $100, $50, just to test the waters to see where you're at. Again, I am not a financial advisor, so therefore, make sure you guys do your own research before you put in money into the market, and don't put everything into market. Just put what you're willing to lose. That's my mentality, right? So the tokens that I'm into that are metaverse tokens, I have Hero, I have UFO Gaming, I have Atlas, which is on the Solana network, and then I have Raka, and then I have, that's pretty much it. Those are the ones I do hold, and I don't hold tens and thousands of them. I hold about 300 of them. The only one that I'm holding over 3,000 is the UFO one. So what I'm trying to say is, if you can get in early, even with $100, just buy $100, maybe $50 or $20, just put your feet into the market so you can kind of feel what's going on, keep informed, read these articles. One thing, you know, that I recommend is never ever believe what Twitter says, right? Whatever Twitter says, don't believe it. You know, just take knowledge from it and just learn from it. You know, we have another chart right here with the downtrend, and he's saying breakout wedge market turns very bullish. Again, everybody's saying Bitcoin is bullish. For me personally, if Bitcoin is doing good, I believe that the market will always do good. We have our market cap in total of all cryptocurrencies at $2.6 trillion, right? We got Bitcoin dominating the market at 41.74%. Bitcoin has been dominating the market ever since, it's the grandfather coin, right? We just have to wait to see what Bitcoin does. And from there on, we'll see what the market, how it reacts. So we have an article here from Cointelegraph. Has Bitcoin solidified support at 58K? We don't know. I'm not an expert in technical analysis. I just buy Bitcoin at whatever price it is, but I like to buy when it's red. So when it's green, like right now, I won't. About $100 worth in Bitcoins a few days ago before the market went green. Again, guys, we go with how many opportunities do you think are in the metaverse? How does 1 trillion sound? According to Grayscale, metaverse users have increased by 10 times. Should you be getting in the action? Put your foot into the market. There's a lot of great tokens with the metaverse that I'm actually following that I want to get into, and let me bring it up to you guys. I actually made a metaverse token list, right? You have Decentraland, Mana in the top, Sandbox, Gala, Egen, Alice is another good great coin. Raka, that's that coin I'm into. Block, the Starlink. You have YGG, Wild, Atlas, another project that I'm into. You have Atari. You have Meta Hero, Pollock City, UFO. This is another coin that I'm into. Again, these are low market cap tokens that you can get into, like UFO, Meta Heroes at 13 cents. If you want to get into something like this, you can still get in, put $100, you probably get more than 1,000 coins. As you can see, there is only 2 coins on this list that are in the red, but every other token in here is doing phenomenal. Mana's been doing phenomenal. From $3, within a few days, we're at $5. Great news all around coming out, guys. So another news from Cointelegraph. Hillary Clinton regulate crypto to stop manipulation by Russia and China. We're still early. A lot of these nations, these governments are still trying to figure out what's the best move to regulate crypto assets, right? In the end, we're going to see these nations trying to see who can accumulate more Bitcoin. I feel the nation holding more Bitcoin is going to be on top of the world. And who's leading right now? El Salvador. Great plans that they're doing. They're building mining rigs with their volcano. Just a great items coming out from El Salvador. And I just wish and hope to see the same thing from other nations come out. So as we read this article really quick, the former Secretary of State warns that if left unregulated, cryptocurrency markets and social media platforms could destabilize the US dollar and its reserve currency. What I think about that is that, yes, we need regulation. The US, just any nation, we need to figure out a great solution to regulate cryptocurrency so there's not a lot of manipulation within the markets, so we don't have those big whales and those big pump and dumps come in. And I agree, regulation should come in. I honestly just hope that they can find a neutral zone for cryptocurrency for everyone, which at the point that we're in life right now, how these governments are reacting to Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, South Asia banning crypto, China banning, they're scared. Everybody's scared of it. It's a scared asset. Right now, everybody's trying to accumulate as much Bitcoin, right? Just try to hold a little bit Bitcoin in your portfolio. Again, do not buy on Robinhood, buy on Cash App. All the links are in my description so you can earn cash when you buy Bitcoin through Coinbase, through Gemini, through CRO token. You guys earn money back. Once again, for joining the channel. I'm only getting better, trying to get better at this YouTube speaking to the camera, minimize my pause, minimize my ums. I always have to bring it up just to tell you guys, strength in numbers, together we get stronger. Once again, guys, thank you. My name is Eric. I go by 360. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. See you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Have fun. Peace out.